guys, so I bought Star VIP a month of VIP on Aplest, and then I bought her a silver package. So yeah, that's why I have that much. Yeah, I did. So basically, if you guys don't believe me. Oh, so this is all that happened when I was trying my best. The other time. So I bought the Star VIP and then the silver package. So yeah, I went on Fay Booster as well, because I will be greedy. And I'm also on Harperville, and yeah, so I wish we could give diamonds to like people, but we couldn't. So yeah, and one thing, why is this glitching? It says as a Star VIP member, you can give one autograph every 2 minutes, but it says there are 54 minutes until you can give another autograph. I'm like, what? Hold on. Oh my gosh, she just got VIP too. Card. Cards. Yeah, so I'm also eating chips, so yeah. Sorry, I just ate my chips really quick. Oh, and yes, I'm finally gonna add all of you guys, so definitely go add me, because I have a month to add all you guys. And also, you guys, I want to buy Caitlyn VIP, but I can't because she changed her password, so I can't get her VIP. What should I do? She just went offline. Lol. I feel like, and I'm gonna spin this until I reach to 40 diamonds, because I want to pass the tool on my Fay Booster, but there's no way I'm gonna reach it. I gotta do something. I really want to reach level 27, you guys, like, honestly. OJ, thank you so much. Okay, so, oh yes, I got 6,000. Okay, perfect. So then I'm gonna be giving greets to the ones who gave me an auto, and Just Love first. Hot Blonde gave me one first. Where is she? She was just there. Where'd she go? Did she go offline? But my MSP, Glitchy, and be right back. Sure. So I gave Hot Blondes a greet because she gave me an auto, and I just feel so nice right now. I really want to give Dudu I an auto. There's no way. Oh, actually, there might be a way for me to level. If I send myself like a couple more greets, I think. She keeps going offline, you guys. So I keep trying to give her a greet, but I can't. And Just Cool. I'm gonna give her a greet too. gives me a great 150k. She's so close. I'm like 450 454k away. I'm just wow. Yeah. So what to do? It's like I have to wait for my friends to go. I don't know, there's nothing I can do, cause, like, I claimed all of it. I could just give you a green. I would eat another chip, so. So, KT Moss 2005 just gave me a greet, so I'm gonna go ahead and give her a greet because we did greet for greet. Did you get it? Yes, let me go ahead and give her one. As y'all know, I hate scamming people. Did you get yes? I'm probably gonna have to buy another silver package, or I'll save it for another time. Let's see, just cool. I will give her a cake. There she goes. That's okay. I know, I'm debating if I should buy another silver package because I just want more diamonds to spend. Thanks. No problem. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna finish this. Oh my god. I'm so sad. Well, I'll be getting 2 diamonds every day, right? Oh crap. B. Actually, the charger's down here. What else should I do? I would just say yes because, you know, it gives you more money and more diamonds. Let's see. How much is Harper Owl at? Harper Owl has 21 minutes. It's already almost been an hour. 6. I really want to give them, but like it's glitching. I don't know why. It says this, you guys. Like every 2 minutes. That's so annoying. By the time. Also, don't forget to go like my YouTube video I posted. So yeah. So I'm gonna give another greet to Jessica. Yeah. Diamonds, I don't know, you don't really waste it on anything besides helping you go up 8%, so it's okay. It's more about the money. I care more about my money than the diamonds. I'm so close. I just want to pass a 7 and then I'll be dead. Let me ask her another greet for greet. Greet for greet. My nose is like not good. By the way, you guys should definitely go add her. She's definitely cool. Here, I'll go first, since she went first last time. So I said her agree. Now I'm just waiting for her to go. Oh, she sent it. She's so cool. Are you close to lovely? I guess I'll spin this. Hopefully it gives me a good one. Nope, got 500. Oh, so sad. Okay, I'll spin it one more time. That's already 8 diamonds. Oh, yay. Let's see, I have 395k left. I don't know what else to do. Cause like, for these, I used it all up already. So sad. She keeps earning 6,000. How do you do that? She's so lucky. As you guys can see, like, I earned all of these besides these. I think this takes too much work. So, I was just like, I tried doing it, but it just didn't work. And then I need to, but that doesn't even give you a lot of fame. And then this one, I can't even do it. Also, I should have done this one. Like, I would have been at the diamond level because I made a lot of accounts already. And I would have got that much fame, and that would have helped me. OMG, she gave me another great. Oh my gosh, she's gonna give me. I'm gonna give her another one. I don't know how much VIP she got. Oh my god, I totally forgot about Harper L. I need to go give her Harper L. Only 19,000 fame. Okay. I'm pretty sure I could do that. She got it again? Like, you're so lucky, honestly. Okay, hopefully if I spin it, you got 6,000 again. Watch, I'm not gonna get it. You guys, what the heck is this? Oh my god. I'm getting, oh my god. I just want 6,000. I've never got 6,000 before. I'm not gonna get it. Oh yeah, at least I got one. Oh my god. You guys, sorry, headphone alert. She keeps giving me greens. OMG, thank you so much. Okay. She's gonna get a green. Okay, as I was saying, I don't have much time left, but I'm gonna give her a greet because she just gave me a greet. Like, honestly, like, she's so nice. How much she got the big? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of boring, but definitely go add Katie Moss 2005. She's really cool, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!